Welcome to this tutorial on options trading for beginners. If you're looking to get started in the world of trading options, you've come to the right place. Options trading can be a great way to make money, but it can also be very risky if you don't know what you're doing. In this video, we'll take you through the basics of options trading, step by step, so you can get started with confidence. Step 1. Understand the basics of options. The first thing you need to do when getting started with options trading is to understand the basics of options. Options are a type of financial instrument that gives the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price within a certain time frame. There are two types of options: call options and put options. Step 2. Determine your trading strategy. Once you understand the basics of options, the next step is to determine your trading strategy. There are many different strategies you can use when trading options, including buying and selling options, spreads, and more. You'll want to take some time to research and learn about the different strategies to determine which one is best for you. Step 3. Find a broker. Before you can start trading options, you'll need to find a broker. A broker is a financial professional who can help you execute your trades. You'll want to find a broker who is experienced in options trading and who can provide you with the tools and resources you need to be successful. Step 4. Open an account. Once you've found a broker, the next step is to open an account. Most brokers will require you to provide some personal and financial information, including your name, address, and social security number. You'll also need to fund your account before you can start trading. Step 5. Start trading. Once your account is set up and funded, you can start trading options. Remember to start small and trade with money you can afford to lose. As you become more experienced, you can increase your trades and start making more money. And there you have it, the basics of options trading for beginners. Remember, options trading can be a great way to make money, but it's important to understand the risks involved. Take your time to learn about the different strategies and find a broker who can help you execute your trades. Good luck and happy trading!